They're raising money to raise awareness. This weekend, Working Against Violence Incorporated, or WAVI, is holding performances of the Vagina Monologues at the Dahl Arts Center, with proceeds going to help victims of domestic violence. However, some in South Dakota are looking to change exactly who's considered a victim of this crime. Black Hills Fox reporter Zach Nugent explains.
Last year, WAVI served over 2,000 individuals of domestic violence and sexual assault.
These numbers are startling, and WAVI Executive Director Mary Corbine says they probably don't accurately represent the total number of domestic abuse cases in Pennington County.
1 in 4 women are said to be a victim of domestic violence. And so if we're serving 2,000 people in our town, in my opinion, there's several more people out there who have not sought services.
Corbine says it's hard for victims to come forward, and adds the state may be hindering certain abuse victims. Enter Senate Bill 141. This piece of legislation looked to redefine the definition of domestic abuse.
Our current state definition, domestic violence, is anyone that you've lived with in the past. So 2 college roommates lived together in the past. They get into an argument, police are called, maybe there's been a fight, an arrest is made. Law enforcement may need to take that as domestic violence.
Senate Bill 141 changed the language from abuse between individuals living together to abuse between, quote, partners in an intimate relationship. This would include dating couples, both traditional and same-sex, who don't share a residence or a child. The bill was voted down yesterday.
Today's statute, a boyfriend and a girlfriend technically would not be domestic abuse.
Pennington County Assistant State's Attorney Todd Hieronymus prosecutes domestic abuse cases on a regular basis. He believes dating couples need to be protected under the law.
There is domestic violence present in dating relationships, and I do think that is something that needs to be addressed.
However, Corbine says the measure was killed. Among concerns, this would begin recognizing same-sex couples in South Dakota, and adds some lawmakers don't understand domestic abuse can happen between dating couples as well. She says she'll continue to voice her concerns and encourage lawmakers to look at the measure again next year. Zach Nugent, Black Hills Fox News.